box glitters. This is my new wig from HerGivenHair.com. This is their curly textured lace closure wig number CUTLW01 in 20 inches. It took nothing to cut the lace and style it how I like. As you can see, I like to color the lace black and set it just behind my hairline. The L'Oreal Magic Root Cover-Up is my favorite right now because it's cheaper than the other color sprays and it's faster to apply for me than putting eyeshadow or eyeliner to the lace. Now I'm putting conditioner water in my hair, which is just conditioner in the water, and I'm gonna leave the sound on for the next part of this video. Oh yeah. And you get that good oil treatment. I am going to go find me my sugar daddy.